Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Teppo, back again with another analysis video. Today is Tuesday, 3rd of December. So let's get right into it, starting with the Dow Jones. Yesterday, Dow Jones basically gave us our reversal move for level 3. If you just have a look here, you can see this is all level 3 behavior. So we expect them to drop down price from here. We can go down to the 15 minutes. Sorry, just so you can see where we could take trades, but I definitely expect them to go down again. Ideally, they would come all the way to yesterday's high and give us a stop hunt there, and a reversal pattern before we change direction. Price is quite significantly far from there though, so I don't see them coming all the way up here, and chances are if they get here, the move might be an uptrend for the day, but we'll just keep monitoring, see how it goes. However, if price does come and break yesterday's low, and give me a continuation pattern here, then I will definitely be looking to take a short here, continuing the trend from here. Moving over to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has completed our 3 levels. We're waiting for a buy yesterday, but there was no stop hunt there. If I were using the continuation, would have gotten in there, but I didn't take any positions yesterday. So I expect them, since they've done their 3 levels of rise, I expect them to drop here. This could also mark the high of the week, if this, whatever high they make here, if it stands. So I'll definitely be looking to go short here. This is a good region for reversal, but to be honest, if they issue a strong bullish sentiment around here and maybe give a continuation pattern, I will actually be looking to go long, because Nasdaq for the most part is in an uptrend, especially when you look at the higher time frame. I can see here we're in level 2 rise on the 4 hour, so if they were to give any sense of continuation signs there, I will definitely go long there. But for now, I'm looking for the trend reversal just for today. GBP USD did 2 levels of rise, and then yesterday they reversed price. It's a little bit confusing, but it does happen often on level 2. They could continue going down, but that's very unlikely, and that's not the kind of move I'm looking for, especially since they've done the 2 levels of rise. They could just pull price back down for a little bit before continuing going up. Even if we look at the 4 hour, actually before I go to the 15 minutes, the 4 hour, our uptrend has actually started here, so I'm definitely expecting them to rise, which means if they come give me a stop hunt down here, preferably London session, it's always the best time to trade when it comes to GBP USD. So if they come give us a stop hunt low there, definitely gonna go long there. Euro USD, these two are very similar. The story is also the same. They give us 2 levels of rise, and then they pull price back yesterday. I'm not convinced that that has anything to do with the overall direction. Let's go to the H4. Okay, maybe it could actually. Yeah, it is possible. Price could continue down from here, but emphasis goes to the 1 hour again, and the 1 hour they haven't completed the 2 levels of rise. I mean, only if they break this low, this region, and come all the way down here, could we consider that the uptrend is complete. But until then, I'm still expecting a stop hunt low rise. So I go to the 15 minutes. This is what I expect, similar to GBP USD, almost the exact same. Looking to go long there, and we'll just wait for a nice move again. Preferably would be nice in London session. The stop hunt box also nice and close to that. That always makes a difference, which means there's about 25 to 50 pips down here, so we could definitely get a move there if they give us a nice stop hunt. However, if they come down here and they give a strong move that looks like it's bearish, and I get a continuation pattern, I could just short it all the way to the ADR low. So we'll just be monitoring price there. AUD USD is quite confusing. They gave us 2 levels of rise. Okay, it's similar to GBP USD and Euro USD. They gave us 2 levels of rise, but then how they pulled it back is quite extreme. So I'm actually gonna stay out here. I expect them to go long just like the other two, but let's look at the H4. We're in level 2 here, but they've been treating it like level 3, so we can't really say for sure where price is gonna go. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna stay out. I mean, I expect them to maybe rise from there, but I'm just gonna stay out. USD CAD is also another one that I still don't know what's going on since they gave the 2 levels of rise and then dropped here. I'm not even counting levels here because this doesn't really make sense, this whole region. It could be, they could be going long from here, but I'm just gonna stay out until something is clear. USD Swiss franc gave us the inverse of Euro USD and GBP USD. They gave us our 2 levels of drop, and then they made what looks like an anchor. It honestly looks like a peak formation low, an anchor from which we could be buying from here going long. Let's look at the H4 and see where we are in terms of direction. Yeah, this has been level 3 behavior, even though they look like they might reverse from here, but this is still level 3 behavior for me, so I'm still expecting them to go short, even though, yeah, I expect them to completely complete the downtrend. So I need them to go short from here. I'm looking to sell from here for sure, so I will be waiting for any reversal patterns here. Yeah, nothing at last week's high. Definitely looking for a reversal pattern here. We'll just be monitoring again. If they give long sentiment, if they prove that they're going to go long here, I'm definitely gonna take a quick long position just up until the ADR high. That's if they fail to show any strong reversal signs. Excuse me. And then finally, S&P 500 has completed their 3 levels of, in fact, they've given us 4 levels of rise. They've completed their uptrend there, so I am only looking to short here. ADR nice and far. Again, like Nasdaq, maybe I could go long there if we were given very clear uptrend signs here, but until then, I'm definitely looking to go short there. And reverse the trend. Maybe they'll go down for another level. From here, they should go down 3 levels, assuming that that's what the direction they choose is. But until then, I'm just going to keep monitoring here, and then I'm just going to wait for shorts there. And that wraps up our video for today, our analysis for today. So please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe. We're here every day. Please click the link in the description, join us on Telegram, let's discuss, let's please share setups, let's help each other win, let's see what's going on your side as well, and I will see you guys in the next video.